Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tushar and in this video we are going to unbox the all new OnePlus Nord 2. I'm really excited for this device, so without any further ado, let's open the box. As soon as we open the box, here is our mid-range killer and we have the blue haze color. Let's quickly have a look at the other items of the box. A small lid which have a transparent unique design case. The paper works with some user guides, the SIM ejection pin and some stickers like Apple provide. The other items of the box are a 65 watts of fast charger. It can charge the device from 0 to 100 in within 35 minutes, and we also get a red Type-C cable. Now let's keep everything aside and focus on the device. First of all, the look and in-hand feel of the device is amazing. In the front and back we have Gorilla Glass 5 protection and the frame is built up of plastic. On the top section we have the noise cancellation mic. On the right we have the alert slider and a power button. The bottom section consists of Type-C port, speaker and SIM card tray. On the left side we have the volume rockers. While booting the device, let's have a look at the specifications of the device. This device comes with the all-new MediaTek Dimensity 1200i. The storage options available in the market are 6, 8 and 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM with 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. The display of the device is of 6.3 inches, which is an AMOLED panel of 410 pixel per inch size with a 90 Hz of refresh rate. We have the in-display fingerprint scanner with us, which is very fast. The device comes with Android 11 and has OxygenOS in it. The camera section of the device is quite impressive. We have 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel of rear setup, and in front we have Sony IMX 32 megapixel of camera. It can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second with OIS. The quality of sample shot is crisp and clear. The colors are also vibrant. Amazing quality of the camera and display reflects it perfectly. The battery of the device is of 4500 MHz that can provide a good backup. So that is it for this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share the video and comment down your feedback regarding the unboxing and the video. Till then, I am Tushar and I am signing out. See you till the next.